Ofa. Je, umejipangaje wakati huu usipatwe nje? Katika msimu huu wa Krismasi na mwaka mpya, wanafunzi waliofanya mitihani yao wamepokea matokeo yao. Noah Investment iko pamoja nanyi ili kuwapa hakikisho kamili. Tumepunguza kwa 50% bei ya huduma zetu kwako wewe mteja. Tunatoa huduma za ushonaji wa uniforms mbalimbali na bidhaa zingine zinazohitaji mshono wa kisasa, kutoka sweta za wanafunzi na hadi zingine zote. Tunashughulikia uchapishaji wa kisasa na aina yote kwa wingi.
This time we are preparing back to school. As you are aware, we are dealing with the stationaries, uniforms and school equipments. We are targeting the opening of schools in January, and now because of Christmas we have offered half price, back to school prices. We invite our customers to come in plenty, timing this Christmas over and New Year over. We sell exercise books, we sell photocopy papers, we sell uniforms as from sweaters, shirts and even long trousers. We welcome all the customers from all forums, from all schools, just to come and enjoy this over. The over started yesterday and it runs to 4th January. So we welcome all the customers who are willing to prepare their going back to school in time, so that you enjoy this over. Our over is 50% discounted. Welcome to our farm, Noah Investments, based in KISII County, KISII Town, Family Bank Building, underground basement, room number 1. We do our printing services and uniform embroidery, uniform repairing and all school equipments.
Tutembelee katika duka letu upate hondo kamili.